Today, we're diving into the Cuifati wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, a game-changer in the world of streaming. With its dual-mode support, you can seamlessly cast your screen in real time or extend your desktop, providing flexibility like never before. The multi-to-one screen cast feature allows a single receiver to pair with multiple transmitters, making presentations and meetings incredibly efficient. What sets this device apart is its sound and video synchronization. The Cuifati ensures that your HD multimedia content is wirelessly transmitted with zero delays, thanks to its built-in 5 GHz 1T1R antenna. Whether you're using a MacBook, tablet, or smartphone, this transmitter-receiver combo eliminates the need for HDMI adapters. Forget about complicated setups. The Cuifati is a plug-and-play device that doesn't require a network connection. Simply connect the screen and power cable, and you're ready for high-definition, large-screen viewing. Perfect for large-screen movies, office meetings, presentations, and sharing sessions, the Cuifati wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver redefine your multimedia experience. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.